Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question and a new video. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, what is the best strategy for setting up a Google hotel ad strategy in our mind? The particular hotel is doing very well with direct booking, 65 to 73% with regular PPC and SEO, and a limited budget of $2,400 ads per month. Sorry, but looking to venture more into metasearch with a part of the budget. Would it matter for the direct bookings? Better, worse, the same? Advice, please. Okay, so for as far as the question regarding uh, Google Ads for hotel business, if I have to say that Google Ads for hotel business, so the best strategy. Okay, as far as I have observed, in my opinion, I have seen, how the hotel industry works and how, we get clients and everything. My recommendation is you have to divide your budgets into different segments. For instance, we can divide 30% of our budget for retargeting. Okay, first of all, the you need to understand the hotel business works with referrals. So it works with referrals, and it also, that the existing customers has a recurring rate, like the old people also come again. So you need to understand that you have to spend money on people who actually know about your hotel. That is, the branding plays a very huge role, because if someone wants to I do not know what your location is, but if someone want to stay in a particular location, they may ask out their friends or colleagues, what is the best location in this area. Although they may also look for other hotels. So my strategy, first of all, is that you have to work on your retargeting strategy. That is going to be your winning strategy. Okay, number second, although it's not relevant to Google Ads, but my suggestion or recommendation is to work on your social media profiles, plus also enlist yourself on booking.com, plus do email subscription. Okay, they may be out of a little out of Google Ads context, but that my recommendation is that that is going to be a very winning for you. That can help you now, because that the hotel is already doing very well with direct bookings. So you're getting 65 to 73% with regular PPC and SEO. So what you can do over here is that you can optimize your ad copy. Okay, now ad copy also has an impact, when it runs, and Google Ads. For instance, if I use this is a one of the very simple tool, it can preview how the Google Ads will be shown. And I'm going to see that this is a sample ad. You can see over here that this is going to be a sample ad over here. But if you add extensions, or reviews on this, so this could be a very good as well. You can add a call, advertiser rating. You see over here, how it's getting to be more appealing. You can also add price extension. So that this could be also a very good formula, that your ad copies can be very good, and that can help you in generating more and more sales for you a hotel ad business. Also, I emphasize that you may need to spend 15 to 20% of your budget on call campaigns. Okay, also create a local search campaign with a 20 to 30% budget for people searching hotel near me. This campaign can be for the city where your hotel exists. Okay, that could be a winning campaign as well, that you're spending money on a local search campaign for people actually searching for hotels near me on Google Maps. That could be very helpful in my opinion, and that can also generate you good results. That if you have a local search campaign targeting for people only in your specific city, who just came and looking for a hotel, and often people search on Google Map or everything, like I need to find a hotel near me. And if your ad is being shown over here, that can also be a very good thing over here as well. Okay, another strategy which I think that you need to work around is understand your peak season. Hotels have a peak and off peak seasons. Understand your peak booking hours, peak booking days. Okay, that could be very very beneficial for you. Also for the days, you know the days when you have uh, low sales, or when you have low bookings, you can create some deals like free lunch, something like that, and that could also be helpful for you to to utilize when you have a low booking ratio or low booking rates as well. So that could be another important aspect over here as well. Also, optimize your search terms and keep on adding negative keywords. Okay, that could be also beneficial for you. And optimizing your campaign, that the keywords which are performing well for you, you can optimize. The keywords which are not generating well for you, you can exclude. Also, people ask, should I target competitor hotel name as keyword for ads? Okay. No, I do not recommend. I do not recommend. If you're running a hotel business and if you're trying to, show your ad in competitor hotel names, that is not going to be a good strategy. If you ask me, that is not going to generate good conversions, good sales for you. So my recommendation over here is a big no. So I believe that these are, few of the things, which you can look around. Now I can also see if I am missing anything on your question. So, okay. Um, Okay, so for direct bookings, you can also try lead generation campaigns, that could be helpful for you as well. That, like, you can have 20 to 30% for search campaign, lead generation campaign. That could also be beneficial for you, and that could be helpful for you. The retargeting is going to work on Google Ads display, so that is where we are targeting the Google Ads display. So I hope I'm answering the question, but even then, let me see again. Best strategy for you. Okay, so yeah, I have told everything. Now, in case if you are asking me regarding the bidding strategies, the bidding strategies that may change on, there for some campaigns I recommend, running bidding strategy with manual CPC or maximize clicks, then eventually converting to maximize conversion share. I also recommend trying bid impression share with, showing your ad on absolute over the page and see, how the ad position impacts on your business. So these are, the few of the things, in case if you are running Google Ads for your hotel business, I think you should apply. But in case if you need a professional help in setting up your Google Ads campaign, me and my team can help you. We can even help you with audits, and we can help you with landing page suggestions. So all you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with me and my team. So I hope you like this video. In case still if you have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.